In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily learn Vietnamese in Memrise. Learning Vietnamese using Memrise can be an enjoyable and effective experience. Start by opening the Memrise website and searching for Vietnamese courses. You can learn from a word list based on what you actually want to learn. Then start learning words and phrases that locals use and immerse yourself in videos of native speakers. When you're ready, practice conversations with Membot. Also watch 48,000 plus conversations between real natives so you can confidently understand their accents and listen to the words and phrases they use. Listen to native speakers through audio recordings included in the courses. Practice your pronunciation by repeating phrases and using the speech recognition feature when available. You can set daily or weekly goals to maintain motivation. Use Memrise's tracking features to monitor your progress and celebrate milestones. Consistency is key in language learning. Try to practice a little each day, even if it's just for a few minutes. If you want to access additional features, you can choose the Memrise Pro plan. While Memrise provides a good introduction into vocabulary and phrases, it may not cover advanced grammar or nuanced language structures in detail. The platform emphasizes vocabulary memorization, which may not be sufficient for developing skills or understanding context in real life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.